Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hey, man, hey, I am so sorry if I seem like I'm, I'm sorry about the trip.
No, it's all good. Don't worry about it.
Okay, great. So, what's the status of Melissa? Where's it gonna happen?
Here in the city.
We're here. I know, but it's not good. It's not here yet. You have to do something, Peter. Please, we're all counting on you. Yeah, babe.
Parker. Parker!
Yes, sir.
That thing is going to be here in a few hours. Bored?
He's not bored. He's just thinking about how you kidnapped him.
He had obstacles. I removed them.
They still won't evacuate the city.
So what's the plan, Parker?
I will be in the Cathedral Tower, keeping watch for the fire monster. When that shows up, I will radio you guys. And then Mr. Beck and I will...
My name is Mysterio.
That's when Mysterio and I will move.
Peter, listen. Best hope you have, the only hope, is to stop it here now, no matter what the cost. Move it away from civilians if you can, but most important, keep it away from metal. If it gets too big, it will become powerful. It's cool. After that, there's no way to stop it.
You know, my friends are here. I can't help but think of what they're going to think.
Don't worry about us. We're your friends. You saw the drone strike on your own school tour bus? Stark gave you a multi-billion-dollar AR tactical intelligence system. And the first thing you do with it is try to blow up your friend. It's clear to me that you